Hi Year 9, this is your fourth lesson for this learning plan. I'm going to quickly go over the instructions for today's lesson and then you can all go off and open the Word document that's attached to Teams and complete the questions I've set for you on there. Okay, so your learning objectives for today, hopefully most of you will be able to answer some GCSE, Cywir, Anghywir, correct, incorrect type questions. You'll be able to look at a holiday destination post from Condé Nast's Instagram page and find the answers to the questions. You'll revise and understand some GCSE related vocabulary and you'll practice using the country names that we went over in West Eye in lesson 2. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do before you can start answering the questions is you need to look at the Instagram posts. They are on the worksheet as well. But if you look at the 4 Instagram posts on the following slide, these will help you answer the questions on the worksheet. I've zoomed in close-ups on these 4 just so I could squeeze them all together on one slide. But on the 2 slides that follow, I've just put 2 on each and they are bigger pictures, so you'll be able to look at them in more detail, but they are on your worksheet as well. So what you'll need to do once you've looked at these Instagram posts, you'll need to be deciding how many likes have they got, which is the most popular destination, least popular. You might need to be able to answer a question on total number of combined likes. So in order to do that, you will need some extra vocab. Now, lots of you may remember these words from a few tasks we did in Learning Plan 2. If not, the list is here for you, so you don't need to worry. So the words you will need are mwyaf, which means most, mwyaf poblogaidd, most popular, lleiaf, least, lleiaf poblogaidd, least popular, yn fwy, more than, and llaina, less than, cyfanswm, total, and look there, sum, that word you could guess that meant total, the sum of, cyfanswm. And then you've got cywir, correct, and anghywir, incorrect. So they are the words that you will need for these tasks that you're going to complete today. So here are the 4 Instagram posts from the Condé Nast Instagram page. So I've chosen 4 destinations. I've chosen Wales, I've chosen Beckwith in the Caribbean, I've chosen Santorini in Greece, and I've chosen Rome in Italy. So you can see how many likes each of those have got underneath. If you can't see them very clearly, like I said, they are on your worksheet, but then I've zoomed in on the next 2 slides as well. So there's the first one, there's Santorini and Wales, Cymru. So Santorini was in Greece, which is Groeg. Wales, you should know, is Cymru. And then we've got Beckwith, which is in the Caribbean. It's one of the St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And then you've got Rome, which is in Italy, Eidal. So I've just zoomed in on those for you in case you can't see them very well on your worksheet and you want to come back to here. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the questions you have to answer today. And then you can go and answer them on your worksheet that's attached to Teams. So if you open that one up and mark your correct answers and then return it to your teacher. So question 1. Tickiwch a box priodol. Tick the correct box. So on the left, you've got 3 sentences and then you've got a choice of 3 answers. You tick which one you think is right. So the first one says, y gwyliau mwyaf poblogaidd ydy. So hopefully you'll know what mwyaf poblogaidd is. Is it Groeg, which was Greece, Cymru, which is Wales, or Eidal, Italy? So which one was the mwyaf poblogaidd? I'm not going to tell you what those 2 words now mean because you should remember them from the second slide. Mae 15,925 o bobl yn hoffi Cymru, Beckwith neu Groeg. Which one of those answers is correct in that sentence? Tick whether you think it's Cymru, Beckwith or Groeg. Y lleiaf poblogaidd ydy. Again, we had these 2 words at the beginning of this PowerPoint. Y lleiaf poblogaidd ydy. Santorini, Eidal or Cymru. So you tick which one you think is correct in that structure. If you need to go back to that first slide where the words were, go back and take a photo of them to help you with these. But hopefully you won't need them. Okay, question 2. Pa un sy'n gywir? Rhowch tic I ddangos yr ateb cywir. Put a tick to show which of these sentences is correct. So 2 of them are incorrect, anghywir, and only 1 is correct. So you just need to put a tick next to the correct one. So is this first one? Let me read it to you. Mae 20,796 o bobl yn hoffi y llun Cymru. If you think that one's true, put the tick next to that one. Mae 65 o bobl yn hoffi yr Eidal. Hopefully you'll remember what yr Eidal is from lesson 2 from West Eye. If you think that one's true, tick that one. Mae 5,000 o bobl yn hoffi Santorini, Groeg. So if you think that one's true, tick that one. Okay, question 3. Again, the same kind of thing. Pa un sy'n gywir? Which one is correct? Rhowch tick I ddangos yr ateb cywir. Put a tick to show which one is correct. That's all you need to do, a tick next to the correct one. You don't need to say which ones are incorrect. So is this first one, mae 713 o bobl yn hoffi Santorini? Is that one cywir? Mae dim o bobl yn hoffi Cymru? Is that one cywir? Or is it the last one, mae 12,320 o bobl yn hoffi yr Eidal? Hopefully you'll remember what yr Eidal is now. So if that one's correct, put a tick there. Okay, and the last question you have to answer today is question 4, question 4. And you have got 5 sentences here. And you have to tick now if this is true, cywir, or false, anghywir, or correct, incorrect, whichever version of the translation you rather. So read the sentences and then decide. Then you need to go back to the Instagram pictures and look. So is this one true or is it false? So let me read it with you. So mae cyfanswm, hopefully you remember what the word cyfanswm means, total. Mae cyfanswm likes Becwi a Cymru yn fwy na cyfanswm likes Santorini ac yr Eidal. Is that cywir or anghywir? You decide. So remember, cyfanswm means total. Second one. Mae Cymru yn fwy poblogaidd na Santorini. Is that one cywir or anghywir? We'll go back to the pictures and have a look. Mae llun Cymru yn llai poblogaidd na'r llun Becwi. So remember, llun means picture. And then the fourth one. Yr Eidal ydy'r lleiaf poblogaidd. Hopefully you'll remember what those 2 words mean. Lleiaf poblogaidd. And the last sentence. Santorini ydy'r lle mwyaf poblogaidd. So is that one cywir or anghywir? So remember all of these words, the cyfanswm, lleiaf poblogaidd, mwyaf poblogaidd, mwy na, llai na, are all important words that you will need to know for your GCSE exam when you come to do it. Okay, good luck. Please fill in the team's worksheet and send it back to your teacher. Look forward to receiving your work.